Buying a new car should feel exciting. A shiny new set of wheels, the latest tech, and the thrill of driving fresh off the lot. But here's the hard truth. Some new cars don't just lose value, they turn into money pits almost instantly. In fact, many 2023 and 2024 models are already dropping 50%, 60%, or even 80% of their original value in just a year or two. If you're holding one of these, you could be stuck paying more on your loan than your car is actually worth. We've analyzed hundreds of thousands of consumer reports, owner feedback, and dealership data to bring you the 15 vehicles that will be nearly worthless by 2026. Let's start from the bottom of the list and go all the way to the worst offender. Number 15. Ford F-150 Lightning. Ford promised to electrify America's best-selling pickup. Instead, the F-150 Lightning has become a case study in how not to launch an EV truck. In less than 2 years, it loses roughly 47% of its original $74,558 price. That's about $35,000 gone. The problems start with cold weather. One owner reported starting with 149 miles of range at 37 degrees F. After driving just 64 miles, the battery dropped to 37 miles remaining. That's a staggering 112 miles lost for a 64-mile drive. Towing makes it worse. Haul 3,700 pounds, drive 32 miles, and you'll burn through 90 miles of range. When manufacturers pull back this quickly, resale values don't recover, they crash further. Number 14. Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Jeep tried to take on the ultra-luxury SUV market with the Grand Wagoneer. With a $103,100 price tag, it should have been prestigious, but instead, it drops 48% in value, almost $50,000 gone. Stellantis, Jeep's parent company, has suffered ongoing reliability issues, recalls, and declining brand trust. The Grand Wagoneer also suffers from an identity problem. Who actually buys a $100,000 Jeep? When new cars are already heavily discounted, the resale market has no chance of holding value. Number 13. Genesis GV60. Genesis entered the EV game with optimism, launching the GV60, but buyers were indifferent and the market punished it, cutting its value by 49% from $63,738, a $31,000 loss. The GV60 suffers from serious quality issues. One owner reported 10 major system failures over 3 years, none of which were fully fixed. Cold weather conditions randomly shut down the driver display. The car can unexpectedly engage emergency braking during turns, a terrifying safety hazard. Phone is key, frequently fails, power outlets stop working, and one owner spent almost 100 days driving rental cars while dealerships insisted there were no problems. It's a beautiful vehicle nobody wants to own, making it a perfect example of style over reliability. Number 12. Tesla Cybertruck. Elon Musk promised a revolutionary electric truck, and pre-orders soared. But 2 years later, the Cybertruck has lost 50% of its value. While the design is bold, many see it as impractical, sharp, and blocky, turning off traditional truck buyers like ranchers and contractors. Early speculators made money flipping the Cybertruck, but resale quickly collapsed. Tesla's aggressive production led to months of unsold inventory. Quality issues like rusting panels and failed parts surfaced quickly, and when Tesla offered rebates on new models, the used market completely tanked. Number 11. Toyota BZ4X. Toyota's first major EV attempt, the BZ4X, has lost 50% of its $42,713 value, over $21,000 gone. It launched was catastrophic. All units were recalled because wheels could detach while driving, a critical safety failure. Charging is slow, topping out at 100 to 150 kilowatts compared to competitors' 350 kilowatts. Range is mediocre at 228 miles, and regenerative braking malfunctions, sometimes causing the car to lurch unexpectedly. Even Toyota can fail spectacularly when transitioning into EVs. Number 10. Dodge Hornet. Dodge rebranded an Alfa Romeo Tonale as the Hornet, slapped an American badge on it, and called it muscle. Buyers quickly realized the deception. The Hornet lost 51% of its $38,871 price. $20,000 vanished in under 2 years. Electrical systems are a nightmare. Dashboards fail, cruise control shuts off, alarms trigger randomly. One car completely died after 6 months, showing 20 error codes at once.
Number 9. BMW iX. BMW's electric SUV iX is supposed to represent German luxury and engineering excellence, but the reality is painful. With prices starting at $105,000, it's already lost $54,000 in value. The styling is polarizing, with massive kidney grills critics compare to angry beaver teeth. Interiors are luxurious, but overcomplicated, with touch-sensitive surfaces that frustrate more than impress. High inventory and aggressive lease deals flooded the market, dumping thousands of 2-year-old iXs onto a disinterested market. Before we move on, if you agree automakers pushed EVs nobody really wanted too far, hit that like button. It helps us keep breaking down these market disasters. Number 8. Audi RS e-tron GT. Audi's electric supercar, the RS e-tron GT, promised Porsche-level performance with Audi luxury for $168,295. Instead, it plunged 53% in value, leaving owners with vehicles worth about $79,000, an $89,000 loss. The RS e-tron GT is essentially a Porsche Taycan with Audi branding. Taycan buyers prefer the original because it offers better performance, stronger resale, and more desirable cachet. Audi's messy EV lineup, including the Q4 e-tron and other underperformers, eroded buyer confidence and tanked resale values. Number 7. Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Giulia is a joy to drive, but it breaks often. Depreciation hits 54% off its $51,490 price, leaving wildly fluctuating trade-in values. Electronics fail, engines go into limp mode, and service appointments pile up. Competing with BMW, Mercedes, and Audi, the Giulia suffers in resale because its reliability lags behind. Buyers must accept lower resale to even consider it, turning a seemingly sporty sedan into a financial gamble. Number 6. Nissan Ariya. Nissan's electric Ariya lost 54% of its $50,381 value. Timing was awful. Tariffs hit, emissions regulations changed, and EV sales were already unprofitable. Prices were slashed on 2025 models, obliterating the equity of 2024 buyers. Eventually, Nissan discontinued the Ariya in the US with no plans for future support or parts, leaving owners stranded and resale values in freefall. Number 5. Jaguar I-Pace. Jaguar's electric SUV, the I-Pace, has dropped 58% from $73,750. Discontinued as Jaguar shifted to ultra-luxury EVs, the I-Pace has no future support or parts availability. Charging is slow compared to modern EVs, taking 45 minutes where competitors need 20. It pioneered the luxury electric SUV segment, but couldn't survive the market's rapid evolution, leaving owners with heavy losses and obsolete technology. Number 4. Mercedes EQS SUV. The EQS SUV was meant to be the electric S-Class. Instead, it became an embarrassment, losing 61% from $108,650. Nicknamed the driving egg, its aerodynamic shape alienated traditional buyers who wanted road presence. Cheap plastics, cramped third-row seats, and complex tech interfaces disappointed owners. Hidden costs, like replacing $1,200 to $1,500 21-inch tires every 15,000 to 20,000 miles, make it terrifying for used buyers. Number 3. Maserati Levante. The Levante demonstrates value destruction at its worst, up to 70% depreciation. Finance buyers go underwater immediately. With high insurance, fuel, and maintenance costs, the Levante becomes a financial sinkhole. Maserati discontinued the line, leaving owners without parts support. Engines may be Ferrari-derived, but resale value is closer to an economy car. Number 2. Toyota Mirai. Hydrogen cars in America have struggled, and the Mirai highlights why. From $64,195, it's dropped 77%. Some sell for as little as $7,000. Hydrogen stations closed, fueling became rare and expensive, and owners reported waiting hours to refuel. Class action lawsuits claim Toyota misrepresented infrastructure availability. Number 1. Fisker Ocean. Fisker Ocean takes the crown for catastrophic depreciation, 80% in under 2 years. Models that cost $41,473 to $63,937 are now selling for $8,000 to $12,000. When Fisker filed bankruptcy in June 2024, the Ocean effectively became a digital brick. Software-dependent systems like keyless entry, driver assistance, and the signature rotating central screen stop functioning without cloud support. This is a cautionary tale of hype, poor execution, and the risks of trusting a startup with shaky finances. Some cars aren't just bad investments, they're financial nightmares. From the F-150 Lightning to the Fisker Ocean, these vehicles demonstrate how hype, design missteps, and poor execution can destroy value almost overnight.